This is a quick tutorial on how to use the MedSchenker AC3100 Mid-turbinate CavSwab. This swab is recommended for use in pediatric settings for kids aged 0 to 12 years old. As you can see over here, we're going to tear it from the recommended spot. The swab comes with the clip and the blister packing. So, as we open the packaging, we're going to grab the bare clip first, and then continue to open and pick up the swab. As you can see here, the swab is separated by 3 notches. If you are not using the bare clip and only using the tip, you can use it on infants up to 2 years old. Notch A is ages 2 to 6 years old. Notch B is ages 6 to 12 years old. And the last notch can be used for kids who are bigger or 12 years and up. So, to attach the bare clip securely, what we're going to do is we're going to grab the bear by the ears and fold it gently. Since Alex, our model, is 10 years old, we're going to use notch B. As you can see, it is fixed and is not moving anywhere. You're able to twirl the swab and the bare clip will stay in place. And we're all done. Now once you're done, you can easily detach the clip and use the breakpoint as needed for the diagnostic test.